friends, welcome back to Travel with Titans. Yesterday we have covered some of the beautiful islands of Venetian Lagoon like the Venice Island, Murano and Burano. And if you have not seen that video, then link is in the description box to check out. And today we are going to Milan and we are ready to check out from our Airbnb in Mestre. And our train is in next 30 minutes, so let's go.
We are going to Milan by regional trains which does not require advance booking. We purchase our tickets from station itself and this journey will take around 3 hours and 15 minutes and requires a change in Verona. So guys, we have reached Milano Central and from here we will take metro to our hotel. There are different tickets for Milan public transport. A single journey ticket is valid for 90 minutes and costs 2.2 euros. A 24 hours ticket costs 7.5 euros and a 72-hour ticket costs 13 euros. These tickets are valid for all metros, buses and trams for zone MI1 to MI3, which covers most of the tourist attractions in Milan. Usita means exit. So अब हम मेट्रो से बाहर जा रहे हैं. अभी हम अपार्टमेंट की ओर जा रहे हैं जो हमने booking.com से बुक किया हुआ था, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. This is the apartment. Here we have the small kitchen area and we have the coffee maker and small workspace. Then we have this bedroom with TV fitted in it. And here's the washroom. So guys, we have checked into the apartment and now we are in Duomo metro station, which is situated next to Milan Cathedral. Milan Duomo or Milan Cathedral is one of the most famous landmarks in Milan and a symbol of the city. The Milan Duomo is truly a masterpiece of Gothic style architecture. Construction of cathedral began in 14th century and took several centuries to complete. It is one of the largest churches in the world. It covers an area of approximately 11,700 square meters and can accommodate up to 40,000 people. You need tickets to go inside the cathedral. We have not booked any tickets in advance, so now we are going to the ticket office to check if there is any slot available for today. The ticket office is situated at the right side of the cathedral. You can purchase tickets online from their official website or offline from ticket counter or self-service machines. There are different kinds of tickets allowing access to cathedral, museum, archaeological area and Duomo terrace. So हमने ये Duomo pass ले लिया है, जिसमें कैथेड्रल, म्यूजियम एंड रूफटॉप कवर्ड है.
लिफ्ट से जाते तो हमें 20 यूरो की टिकट लगती.
हाँ, 20 यूरो पर पर्सन की टिकट लगती है. अभी हमें 15 यूरो पर पर्सन लगा है, तो हमने अराउंड 10 यूरो सेव करे हैं. अब हम उतने का झंडू बाम खरीद लेंगे
और रात को पैरों में लगा देंगे.
यस. तो अब हम कैथेड्रल के अंदर जा रहे हैं. यहाँ पहले हमने हमारा टिकट दिखाया, अभी सिक्योरिटी चेक है. हेलो.
Buongiorno. Pensiero.
Milan Duomo is ranked as third largest church according to Wikipedia. It houses numerous chapels, each with its own unique artwork and historical significance. So we are now going to see the archaeological area of the cathedral. The archaeological area was discovered in the 1950s during extensive excavations conducted to reinforce the foundation of Milan Cathedral. The museum displays a range of artifacts including sculptures, pottery, jewelry, and architectural fragments.
So this is the other side of the cathedral. Now we are going towards the rooftop.
Today there is some event going on in the square, due to which the Duomo Terrace access was closed early. But good thing is that these tickets are valid for 3 days from the selected date, so we can visit the rooftop tomorrow as well. Now we are going to Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, which is in the left side of the Duomo. It is one of the world's oldest and most luxurious shopping malls located in Milan. The Galleria is known for its impressive size, elegant design, and exquisite details, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The architecture reflects a mix of neoclassical and Gothic styles, with a magnificent glass and cast iron roof covering the central octagonal space. One of the highlights of the Galleria is the mosaic floor, depicting the emblems of the 4 major Italian cities: Turin, Florence, Rome, and Milan. According to local legend, spinning on the bull's genitals located at the center of the mosaic brings good luck. This has become a popular tradition among visitors.
फुल कर दिया लोगों ने दबा दबा के.
You will find all major lifestyle brands such as Prada, Dior, Louis Vuitton, and many more. On the other side of gallery, here is Piazza della Scala. It is a historic square, features a monument to Leonardo da Vinci. From here, we took tram to Sforzesco Castle. You can also walk because it is not that far.
This is the Sforzesco Castle.
And here we found a gelateria on the way to castle. What else is better than few scoops of gelato in Italy? It is a busy place with locals as well as tourists. Entrance to the castle's courtyard is free. The castle was built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, the Duke of Milan, and his family, the Sforza dynasty. It was constructed on the remnants of a 14th century fortification. Over the years, the castle underwent several expansions and renovations under different rulers. It houses multiple museums: the Museum of Ancient Art, Museum of Musical Instruments, and an Egyptian museum. The combined entrance ticket for all the museum is €5. And these museums are closed on Monday, and today is Monday, so we could not visit any of them. Simplon Park is located on the other side of the castle. It is a large park spread over 95 acres. Arco della Pace, which means Ark of the Peace, is located on the other side of the park. This area has various restaurants and always busy in evening with locals. We took tram from here to Church Santa Maria delle Grazie. This church is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and houses the famous mural painting, The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. And you need to have an advance reservation to see the mural paintings, which is difficult to get because very limited entries are allowed to see the paintings. But the good thing is that the entry of the church is free. And from here, we will take the last tram of the day to hotel. So guys, next day we came back to Duomo Cathedral and now we will go to the rooftop. We suggest to come early in the morning as there is almost no queue and we are full of energy to climb stairs. We have to climb around 250 steps to go to the rooftop. If climbing the stairs is not feasible for you, then elevator option is also available, but it requires different ticket.
तो गाइस पहुंच चुके हैं हम कैथेड्रल के रूफटॉप पर। आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सुंदर व्यू है यहाँ पर, काफ़ी सुंदर है, देखने लायक है। आपको एक बार ज़रूर आना चाहिए, ट्राई ज़रूर करना चाहिए।
Once you reach the rooftop, you will be greeted with a stunning panoramic view of Milan. You can walk around and explore the terrace, which are adorned with Gothic spires and sculptures. From there, you can admire the intricate details of the cathedral architecture and take in the sweeping vista of the city.
ओके, तो अब हम नीचे जा रहे हैं वापस, क्योंकि अभी हमें लेक कोमो भी जाना है आज ही, और हमारी नेक्स्ट ट्रेन अराउंड 10:30 बजे है, तो हम टाइम से लेक कोमो पहुंच जाएंगे।
So guys, that's it for this video. If you find the video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos in this series. Thank you for your time and wish you happy and safe travel.
So we have arrived in Varna Etino Parledo station.
Was it green this time? Oh, okay. So maybe it wasn't my fault. Where's we?